Hello, in this video I will show you how to do a hard reset through recovery mode on DOOGEE S100. So you have to start with powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time. Now let go of these buttons and press them again. And here you have to use volume up button to navigate and volume down to select, and move to recovery mode and then press volume down button. Now move to wipe data factory reset and press power button to select. Now move to factory data reset and press power button. Now you can select reboot system now. And now your phone is back to its factory mode. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.